Good morning, hello, how are you? I hope are you fine. You are fine. And you're happy and healthy. And soon be very wealthy. Thanks very much for coming back. Let's talk about how you can build a YouTube channel up to 1000 subscribers in few months. Is it possible? Of course it's possible. Anything is possible. Whatever you believe in is possible, isn't it? Whatever you believe you can achieve. Let's get some work done today. 15-minute blocks. A good idea popped up in my head. It's going to be a good name for a YouTube channel. Anyway, my last video was this one. This hasn't been uploaded yet. It is getting to be uploaded very soon. So now let me show you some work, what I'm doing, what I'm up to, how it works now. And what we've got here is I'm building a new eBay account. This is what I was talking to you about in the video, you remember. It is low number of feedback on this account. I talk in the video now. Get this eBay account to 1000 feedback from the customer. Working with an AI, OpenAI, ChatGPT. If I write it right for him, if I give him the right prompt, he will give me some. If you are building a new... Okay, so he will now tell us what we need to do actually, yes. So you can use this in my video description. And this is not only about building subscriber base on YouTube, because it will happen for you if you are recording 15-minute blogs. Videos and talk about what are you doing. In this case we are talking about eBay, in particular listing items on the eBay UK market. So if you are building a new eBay account with a low number of feedback, it is important to focus on establishing trust and credibility with potential customers, which is the thing I have showed you before in the video on this particular account. We can continue to build this auction that I was talking to you about in the last video. That is not uploaded just yet as well. So I have two videos in the queue, 15-minute blogsman. It's nearly 6 o'clock here in the morning, so I'll get this 15-minute video quickly recorded for you. Here are a few tips to help you work towards reaching 1000 feedback on your eBay account. Provide accurate and detailed item descriptions. So that's exactly what we are doing, isn't it? And in a minute, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 5 ideas for a YouTube video title for this upload. So that's coming up next. This is good because quick questions, you know, you ask it and it just gives you an answer. You don't have to go through the Google answers and read them and go to certain pages that you will be directed to by Google. And this is just giving you the answer on the same page. So it's a Google on steroids. Be sure to include all the relevant information about the products you're selling. Obviously, we are taking care of that. Including condition, this is obviously a necessary thing. Specifications, so that's included in my listings. And potential flaws. So, what could go wrong with it? This helps manage customer expectations and reduces the likelihood of negative feedback. So, positive feedback, of course, it's a must. This item got listed. I'll be revising the listing, or I will quickly show you right now, because that's the upload that was actually made private, I think. and it will stay like that, but I can't show you this item listed, and it was £7.13, and I was talking about it. This is what is sold now, the top one. I think I've only had one probably profit as well, as I've explained in the other video, you know, around maybe between 50p and £1.50, maybe. This will have to be checked. This item sold for £3.59, and the buyer has paid postage £1.73. So the postage will cost me £2.88, most likely. Or Royal Mail. It's got good offers now, perhaps, and I'll use them for, I think, £2.79. This will go as a small second-class parcel. So this item needs to be dispatched. So I need to pack it, take it to the post office and post it out. It will get done today, in a few hours time. 6 minutes 7 seconds in the video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you can like and subscribe, and maybe share this video with someone. Wherever you go, I will be sharing with you how I share my videos. After I will make one of my uploads, the 2 of the waiting uploads, I'll show you right now. I sort of create the titles for my videos here like that. So this is the next one. This hasn't got a YouTube video upload title just yet, but obviously I'll be using ChatGPT to help me with it, to create, to give me some ideas, and I'll pick something up and I'll create a proper, really nice, good YouTube video upload title. Sharing what I'm doing on eBay UK with the help of ChatGPT. So that was the one I've recorded for you last night, but I haven't uploaded yet. Next video is, and again I'm continuing sort of similar stuff what I'm talking here about right now. Talking again about creating eBay listing. So yeah, there is you know, all the time ChatGPT being used obviously for all these creations. Without it, you know, nothing happens anymore nowadays. A lot of people just got hooked up, you know. I'm using it responsibly. You might notice that. I'll show you every detail. You know, you'll be explained perfectly well. And if you're still not clear, you'll come back to me and I'll give you an answer to every question you will have. Guaranteed. Or if I don't know the answer, I'll find out and I'll give you the answer tomorrow. 100%. So anyway, let's get on with it. I was to quickly show you this beautiful item. The LED light up artificial rose, decorative light home decoration, which has been listed on the UK market at £7.13 price, and the calculations for it were here on this calculator, and the profit is £1.22 if it sells at this price, which is quite unlikely. It might not. It might do. The buyer will pay 71p for the postage, out of which I will have to pay probably £2.79. So I will have to cover the remaining £2 of the short for postage. Few items that I have got listed, I will show you. Pound shop item, pound shop item. There were 3 views. You'll have to go into it if you want to sell it. Go and change something, put the price up 2p or take it down 2p, you know, to boost the viewings on this listing. That's another pound shop item, pound shop item, pound shop item, pound shop, pound shop, pound shop, pound shop. And this item is, there is one watcher on this item, so something needs to be done about it. You don't need to go and promote it because it costs a lot of money. But anyway, what we can do, I'll put the rose away, is to go into it. So let's see, I'm working on this thing, on the eBay thing, like maybe an hour a day. And if I can build it up to 1,000 feedback score. 1,000 customers feedbacks left from 1,000 customers, and I think this item is actually, I'll go into the revised listing here on the left. This item priced at £7.19. I've sold a couple of these, I think, already. I think I stocked them in here. Let's see where the postage comes from, but if it's from Inverness, then I'm stocking it in here. Yes, that's stocked in here, so I've got it in my drawer here, this item. I've sold already a couple, and I've got this item listed as well as a dropshipping item from CJ Dropshipping. So this is not a bad auction. I think there's few measurements shown. So all with measuring tape. That's quite good idea to show it to your customers. So you can rearrange your pictures maybe. You know, do something with this auction if you want this item to be sold quickly. If not today, then tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then next week. It will sell quickly. It will sell quicker if you have not, you know, come to the auction and haven't done anything with it. Okay. So I'm sorting the pictures. Like, you know, there is just one item. 10 minutes and 59 seconds just passed, guys. So I'm wrapping up soon. 3 more minutes. Basically, I'm showing you, you know, how you work with your eBay listings and how you create proper eBay listings, how you promote your auctions, how you care for your customers, how you use the artificial intelligence to build your eBay listings account, your feedback scores, how you use other artificial intelligence on a daily basis. Sorting these pictures so the single item is there at the front, sort of like that. And then no, the doubles, and I have shown that I have more of these items. This is sometimes useful when there is maybe some problems with eBay itself. When they are questioning, you know, if you're dropshipping this item or not, then you'll show, no, I'm stocking up a little bit more of this at my place. Go and see if there is anything that can be changed at all. And there surely can. There's always something that can be changed. And let's make something in bold. Let's put something in bold. So I can see here I have got the old auction builder. And I suppose when this item will renew, when this listing will renew, you know, when the listing lasts like for 31 days and then it renews, it will come into the new format perhaps, or maybe it will stay in this one. But I like both of these listing formats delivered by eBay. You know, you quickly get confident with it. It's easy, really. 13 minutes, 25 seconds, wrapping up in a minute. 15-minute blocks. I will record 2 more videos today, and I will upload one of the videos of what I've recorded yesterday. So there will be 1, 2, 3 uploads waiting. One will be getting live today. So you'll be always behind a little bit with the content, unless I do some lives. If you like me to ever do live, then just let me know. Silicone vouchers, 14 minutes, 3 seconds, wrapping up in 30 seconds. So we can highlight a little bit more, put in bold, you know, then quickly. £7, 21 pence. The inflation's high, everything's getting more expensive. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll come back to watch my future videos. This is just 15-minute block work. Give me a like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed it. You know, share it with someone who might find it helpful. Thanks very much again. Have a lovely day. Stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you on the next one.